Holy shit, we got the... You want to put Kiwi in a hat? No shot. Alright, what's up guys? Orange Kiwi here with BAMFbreakers.com. We got an 11-box football mixer. In it we have a box of 2021 Origins International, the blaster box. We have a Prestige Mega Box. These can hit. These can hit. We have an Absolute Blaster. Hoping to get a Kaboom finally out of one of those. We got 2 boxes of Onyx Vintage. See if we can finally get Eli. We shall see. Got a box of Leaf Trinity. Got a Donruss Hobby Box. See if we can't get a Downtown. Got some Classics H2. Got Wild Card Matt, the White Box Mega Box. Box of 2021 Certified. And the star of the show, 21 National Treasures Collegiate. Good luck, good luck, good luck. We're going to start with some Wild Card Matt. So in here, the hits will be the inserts and or numbered cards in the packs. So the thing is, I would have to ask BAMF if I can wear a hat first, because I feel like I should not put on another man's hat. Just like I shouldn't wear another man's shoes. Wouldn't wear another man's clothes without asking. So that's definitely one. Devonta Smith, PS2. Oh, there's the numbered card. Alright, let's move that to the back. Whoop, whoop. Felipe Franks, Robert Rochelle, Javon Holland, and Javonte Williams. Another man's girdle, 100% no. I don't own a single hat. I mean, I do, but I don't want to wear them. Why do y'all want me to wear a hat so bad? What is it about hats that y'all want so bad? Oh, that's not what I wanted. I own like maybe one hat. Might I get an introduction to what to address you as? I am Kiwi. Tarp. Tampa, there we go. So I have a few hats that are in my car. And they're extremely sun washed because I just keep them like your back windshield there. I just keep them sitting there. Nice. Devonta Smith to 199. Other than that, I don't think I have any. I've never been a big hat person. Hats just really aren't my thing. But yeah, I am Kiwi. Be like, I don't even know what that word is. A choke? I do be token, but I don't think that's what you're talking about. Alright, Rondell. Devonta again, Penei Sewell, Jason, Davis Mills, K, Witty Pay. Why the fuck would you buy me a cape, Grampy? Why would you buy me a cape, sir? Took. Oh, look at beanie. My head is too big for beanies, and like, because I would love to wear beanies, but. So Aaron, as long as you call me tampon. I mean, shit. Waddle, Adebo, Mills again, and Javon Holland at 99. Is J-Train was here earlier? Did he go check out his other breakers, or is he still here? J-Train's got to make his rounds, so. He said you're gonna fit in here just fine. Not cheating on me. He was in the other night. It's okay. Devonta Smith, PS2. I'll save the first two Devontas, but jeez. No, do the FB left. Do FB left and BB left. Kadarius Toney to 10? Kadarius Toney to 10, huh? I got the commands on the screen for it. Kadarius Toney. Nice, nice. Real quick, though, I'm going to deactivate those commands. Which one did you put in PWT? There you go. That should help that. All right. But yeah, FB left and BB left for the teams left in the PWTs. Young Jock, Deo, Zach Wilson, Javonta, Sean Wade, and Travis Etienne to 199. Yeah, I disabled it, Colorado. I don't mind using PWT left when there's only like 5-6 teams, since we got multiple in both sports. Nice. PS2 to 125. The Broncos, our last pack. 10 minutes for what? Nice. Dwayne Eskridge, another one to 10. 2 of these to 10. Not bad. Oh. Fair enough. Fair enough. Alright, we're going to do one of these. See if Eli's real. Or if he's just a myth. I think Eli's a myth. He doesn't even come out of these, man. I got Demetric Felton, Terrace, DeMonte Coxey, who I believe is a random, and K. Whitty Pay for the Colts. Phoenix is DeMonte Coxey still a random? He's either random or he's Broncos. It's one or the other. Random, okay. Dude, he really is. You got a better chance of pulling a LeBron out of an upper deck blaster than you do an Eli out of one of these. Rashawn Slater for the Chargers and Otis Anderson, man. This guy just passed away, I believe. He's for the Rams. He just passed away, though. That's tough. And Chargers getting a hit with Slater. Yep. Alright, so we're going to random the Cox at the end. What are the Prestige Mega? Prestige wide. So we've been pulling some pretty good autos out of these things. A man named Tom Brady came out of one, so. Just a little guy named Tom Brady. I'd love to pull a drip, though. Drip would be cool. All right, Dwayne Eskridge, Ronnie Perkins, Javonta, Brent Reporter, Cole Beasley, Joe Mixon, Chris Carson, Montez Sweat, Jake Funk for the Rams. Got Living Legends to 199, Andre Tippett for the Pats. And another Living Legends, Mike Allstott for the Bucks. Trayvon Mulrig, Rondell Moore, PS2, RB1. Nice. Travis Kelce to 299 for the Chefs. We got AJ Brown. Oh, I like these ones. To 99, David Johnson. Shout out BAMF. And then Prestigious Pros, Aaron Rodgers. Kadarius Toney, Nico, Kellen Mond, Brent Reporter, DeAndre, Roquan, Chase Claypool costing his team possibly a game. Jalen Camp, Powerhouse, Levonta David to 75, and Youth Movement, Scary Terry. Alright, so auto should be in this pack, hopefully. Kylan, Trevor, Booth, Saquon, Wentz, Gardner. Got Powerhouse, Josh Jacobs, Jingleheimer Schmidt. To 149, Saquon. And then just the Jags quarterback you want, Gardner Minshew. Quarterback auto for the Jags, Gardner Minshew. I love it. Gardner Minshew's a madman. Like his celebration with his dad after winning last week, it's just awesome. Best quarterback on the Eagles. It's tough. I'm holding the Absolute Blaster, hoping that it has something special. I feel like we're due. We're just due for a fucking kaboom, man. I just feel like we're due. All right, Origins. We're actually due for a case hit out of this, too. All right, DeAndre. Ooh. Tubes. Elijah Mitchell. Juju and Catapults, Drew Brees. So Saints getting a hit there. Oh, he was so pumped though. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. He's just funny to watch. It's fun to root for him though. Yes, exactly, Ricky Bobby. That's exactly what it's like, Phoenix. Good call. But oddly enough, he looks like Ricky Bobby's dad. The Rams hit was an Otis Anderson auto from Onyx, which could be going for something considering he has passed away now, unfortunately. Ravens, how it started, how it's going. Otis Anderson Jr. from Onyx was the hit for the Rams. Davis Mills, Terrace, DJ Chark, Jarvis, Catapults, Justin Herbert. Des Fitzpatrick, nice. Variation, Trey Lance. Scary Terry, J. Jeff, and to 99, Kadarius Toney. Kadarius Toney again. Larry Roundtree, Demo, Fletcher Cox, and Catapult, Dacky Deck. Oh, you're fine, bud. You just got auto-drafted the Patriots. No big deal. Sam Ellinger, Marquez, Taysom, Cortland. How it started, how it's going for the Lions. Sari Banders. There's an auto draft. I gotta go buy whatever the auto says. Phoenix. And Catapults for the Packers. Yeah, once we update that auto draft, it's gonna be Pats 1. But for the time being, it is still the Jags. So even though I definitely would have taken the Pats 1, I gotta respect the auto draft. So gotta respect it. All right, Absolute. I absolutely need you to have a case hit or something crazy. Do something crazy. Why do these packs open backwards? That's stupid. What is this third team? Pats? Cardinals? What is Waco's third fucking team? Broncos. There we go. I don't know why I couldn't find his team for a minute there. Alright. Elijah Molden. Pile of Tits. Nick Bolton, Dak, Kyle Long, J. Jeff, Saquon, and that's Purdy, numbered 111 of 199, LaMarcus Jackson. That's a Purdy one, Colorado. Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons. Unsung Heroes. Xavier. Terrace Calvin. Rondell. Hunter Long. Dez. I don't know where the Kaboom would be in the pack, if there is one. I mean, I guess I would see it, huh? Like, I guess it'd be pretty easy to find, but... Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, Trey Lance, Joseph Osai, Miles, Travis, Dalvin, introductions, Jalen, Waddle. I'm sure they'll be fine, Blastoise. I think starting the hour early might have backfired on me. So I'll take the hit for that one. I think that kind of backfired. I thought it'd give people a good reason to pop in early, the East Coast, but there's something chunky in here. I think we got a patch. By Storm, Trey Lance. Yeah, I figured I'd give the East Coast a shot. Be like, hey man, I know we're up super late sometimes. It's a common complaint that things get going too late at night, but nice. Devonta Smith patch. Not too shabby. Exactly, Big MB, exactly. If you want to do a bundle, go ahead and buy one, Ron. I got all the time in the world, man. You buy a bundle, just let me know, and we can get that rolling for you, bud. Nice end zone, DeAndre. So still kaboom hunting. Still fucking kaboom hunting, man. We did get a mem in that one though. So better than nothing there. Alright. Now we're gonna go to I know it's newer, but I'm going to H2. I know it's newer, but I'm going to H2. I mean, I try to keep things moving, did it on you? As far as sidetrack, like, we do get caught up talking to the chat, but I mean, we also don't want to be like every other breaker where it's just constantly go, 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 go. Like, we want to have the interactions and whatnot. I think that's what separates us from, like I said, every other breaker. We got Chase Young, hollow. Or not hollow, chrome. And this will be random between the Flackens and the Eagles. Mike Vick transitions. Yeah, we try to be more than just okay, breaks filled, break, 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 breaks filled, break, 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 you know. We try at least. Nice to 99 Cam Akers. Got Elijah Moore. That's why we do the brackets and whatnot. So 99 has red back? Yes, nailed it. That'll sell. Monday Night Heroes, purple to 12. Oh. Okay. That's a big card. That's actually a really big card. Holy shit. To 25, Brady. 1 off the jersey number. $13 of 25. Tom Brady, Monday Night Hero. Holy fuck. Jesus. That's pretty. Damn, bro. That's wild. Like, I know some of you might think I'm overreacting to a non-auto Tom Brady. Go ahead and look up comps on that bitch. I'd almost bet that's at least 350. At least 350 and not 4 bills. It's actually insane. Nice run. Ooh, wow. To 10. /10, no name. Sean Alexander. No name, Sean Alexander. Not bad. It's been a great box so far. Fuck yeah. And then we got a Danny Dimes. Daniel Jones, gold velocity to... Oh my god. /10 as well. What the fuck is going on here, guys? Really? /25 on that? Sheesh, I thought that'd be a lot more. Still a banger of a card. So, back-to-back of number /10 cards, and that's jersey number 8 of 10 Danny Dimes for the Giants. There you go, Colorado. I know it's not a Brady, but 8 of 10 jersey numbered. Not too shabby. Not too fucking shabby. Jordy. Got a Matt Ryan. And instant classics. Kellen Winslow for the Chargers. Colorado gave 0 fucks about that Danny Dime. 76 on the 4th. Really? Okay. Well, you proved me wrong on that one. I still think it's a disgusting hit. Ooh, jeez. Carson, calm down. Oh, I forgot the numbered cards of the hits in this. I gotta go back and mark them. /75, Carson Wentz. I'll skim through at the end and I'll find them. DeAndre Swift. Kane Nwangwu. Damn, Phoenix. I gotta mark the hits at the end of this box because I forgot to mark them as I was going. Trey Lance. /75, Jalen Hurts. That's sick. Lamar Hollow. And Emmett. Dickerson, Ramondre, Kyle Pitts, Matty Ice. Got a Chris Carson. What's up, J-Train? Got a Dan Marino, Monday Night Heroes, just as J-Train comes back. Colorado, do you hate Danny Dimes that much, man? That's tough. Joe Montana, Singletary, Trey Seaman. Nice. Marshall Faulk. That'll be /99? Yeah, 97 to 99. Marshall Faulk. Simi Fahoku. Thomas was numbered. Thanks, Cap. Blank back? Nope, green back. It's so easy to miss the numbered ones in this. LT, Aziz, Tutu, Khalil Mack, Devonta Smith. Yeah, I think every break we've done with this H2 stuff, we've missed one numbered card. Come on. Jim Kelly, John Randall, Simi, Robinson. Nice. Got a LT /99. Josh Allen for the Jags. And Jordy. Alright, so hits that box. The Brady, obviously. The Giants already got a hit. The Sea Chickens got a hit already. The Chargers already got a hit. The Saints already got a hit. The Rams. Do the Rams need a hit? The Rams got a hit. Eagles got a hit. Colts got a hit. Rams. Alright, so we're good. We good now, we good. Did you skip over the exact same one cap? I'm gonna go to Don Ross. Don Ruth. Donner's bombing. Oh, back-to-back Mike Thomas. Oh. Back to the beach, Mike Thomas. Back to the beach. He's probably been staying at the fucking beach, bro. It's not like dude plays anymore. Von Miller. Kane Nwangwu. 247th for Brady. Jalen Darden, portrait. Downtown Saquon. Is what you're calling? All right. Cap, how'd your stream go last night? I was tired as fuck all day, so I didn't really hang out much. Joe Namath, Ezekiel. Got Noah Gray and Zaven to 500. We got a Trevor, the rookies. Yeah, I didn't sleep well yesterday. Like the night before. And then today I was up early to FaceTime with my family back home at 7 a.m. And then tried to lay back down, but didn't get a ton of sleep. Anything super crazy for you? Like hit-wise? Got Corey Davis, Peyton, RB1, Romeo Aquara to 100. Joe Montana. The original TB12. I think that's literally the only hit I saw. It was the red ink. That was the only time I was in chat is when that came out. Because I was like half asleep already. We got a CEH, DeAndre, Nick Bolton, Myles Gaskin. Did he win, J-Train? Very nice. Palomalu. I still got so pumped when we pulled the Palomalu Bill Cowher dual auto. And it's going to Bally P. Bally P got the squealers. I just got a Brady, Gronk, Frying Mouth, Patty Mahomes. Speaking of Mahomes, is Chief even here? I've seen Chick talk. I haven't seen Chief say a word. Joe Schobert. K. Whitty. Nice. No name. Elijah Moore. Or is that Elijah Moore? Jameson Crowder, sorry. Jameson Crowder. Got a Terrace. Nothing wrong with that, though. Putting it in a one-touch and be like, maybe not. Oh, okay. Shaquille Griffin. Why is this? Sheesh, those were so stuck together. Roundtree, Travis Kelce, ETN Portrait. I was so confused because the cards were like not coming apart at all, so I thought it was just a super thick stock. I was like, why is this? Why are you like this? Alright, still hunting for our auto. And hopefully a downtown, some sort of case hit. Third to the bottom. All right. To Tagovailoa. It's the second pack in a row that the second backwards card has been sticking. Miles Sanders. Ollie's been watching stream. Is Ollie being a good boy? I know Shark has Josie watching stream sometimes if she's not knocked out. One, two, three. It's very. It feels like a thin pack, J-Train. Right, Rotten? Alright, this is the pack J-Train said's wild, so. We'll see. Dak, Jalen Hurts, Nico, Saquon, Jacob Harris, what a pack, J-Train, what a pack. He's been sitting in the kitchen waiting for one of us to give him a pup cup. This pack seems, yeah. This pack seems thickums. Alright, we'll see what happens. Terrace. This pack seems incredibly thick, though. Herbert. I guess it could just be the mem, though. Antonio. Champ's not there anymore. Rogers, DK. See, man. Panini, what are y'all doing at your factory right now? Nice. Passing the torch. Jalen Hurts. And Mike Vick to 199. There you go, Eggles. There you go. Bro, Oompa's snoring and it sounded like my phone vibrating. Apparently. Julio, Rondell. Adrian Peterson to 156. You're terrible, Phoenix. Phoenix, you need to go. I know you're leaving one college. You better make sure you transfer to another Christian school. You need God in your life. You need God in your life. Deontay. Joe Burrow. Joseph Osai. Nice. 41 of 100. Kyle Pitts. That's a cool... I mean, I know it's college uni, but that's a sick picture for him. Nick Chubb Elite Series. DeAndre Moss and people. Going to the church for the first time in 6 months. Judging by the shit you've been saying in chat, you need it. I'm still looking for the auto in here. James Conner. Baker. Trayvon. Boogie. Javonta. Mark Brunell. Alright. 5 more packs. Marcus May. Sari Banders. Bravin. That's a cool one. /10. Brian Urlacher. That's a thick sleeve for no reason. But 4 of 10. Brian Urlacher auto. Okay. Not bad. Did it on you. Not bad. Get in there, please. There he is. That's a... I love this parallel that makes it dance. So dope. So dope. Little off center. Not really. You mean the oh, top heavy, yeah. Well, no, I think it's not top heavy because it has that Legend series there. That's why. There you go. You can see it. It's supposed to have a thick border on top. Diami. Trey. See, it's the same as this. Like, because it has that Elite series. Because really the border would end right there. Which makes it about even. J-Train, if you think you have to ask if the question is appropriate, you probably shouldn't ask. Or ask in headset, and if they think it's inappropriate, then you probably shouldn't ask, but go ahead, J-Train. Nice. To 88 to jersey number 75 of 88 CD. No, he's gonna go, okay, never mind. I'm just tired. J-Train's go-to thing of like he wants to go to bed or he wants to go do something else is he'll go, I'm tired. I'm gonna... Phoenix said no? Well, okay, J-Train. The chat wants to know, so go ahead. The chat wants to know. This better be spicy. This better be a spicy meatball. Oh. Huh. Well, y'all wanted to know. There you go. Bing bong. Who did the bing bong? Clue. What's up, Lady K? Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Fuck your life. Mark Brunell, Drew Aloysius Brees, Weeby Jamin, Lawrence Taylor. Yep, BAMF's up in San Antonio. Hanging out with some friends, doing like a holiday, Christmas kind of deal. Give me 1 second, I gotta grab some sleeves. I knew I would have to. Hey, Bubba. I didn't see you sneak in back there. I didn't even see you. Phoenix, why you gotta be so up my ass about correcting me? I don't know if it's up or down. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Fuck your life. Oh, the chair fucking went down when I sat down. God damn it. Alright, last pack. Hey, y'all wanted this madness. Y'all wanted J-Train to ask his question that he thought he shouldn't ask already, so. James Robinson, Saquon, Guylan, Elijah Vera Tucker to 500. AJ Brown Dominators. And Steve Largent. Right. What's up, Waffles? Colorado, do you want Trinity or Certified next? Certified or Trinity next? Trinity next? Gotcha. So while people are looking at teams, we also have that BB mix. Should have 2 left right now. Yeah, lots of good baseball. Lots of good football, too. Actually. And the BB mix has 2 spots left. Those are random. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Ding, 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 ding. First up, we got Rondell to Fitty for the Cardinals. Going to Waco. Then we got a Caleb Farley for the Titans. Titans going to Skins fan. We got Amari Rogers to 30. Going to the Packers. Did it on you. We got a Sage Surratt patch for the Lions. Going to Big Bud. Come on. Get over there. There we go. And then we got a 3 of 20 for the Giants. Kadarius Toney. Kadarius Toney. Not bad. Not too shabby. Bengals are 185. 185. All right, certified, and then NT. Oh, good morning, Brent. So Tom Brady to 25. 1 off the jersey number, bud. 1 off the jersey number. All right, CEH, Josh Allen, Ayukin, and CMC to 249, RB2. Miles Sanders, Kamara, LaMarcus, Aaron Rodgers. Brent, did you just wake up? Or were you out walking? Oh, that's fucking Purdy to 99 JOK. So unfortunately, I got some crazy print lines, but I'm gonna have to talk to Fargle on that bad boy. Not the thin one. I want to save the thickums. Yeah, I was gonna say, was Brent out walking or was he sleepwalking? Danny Dimes, JK, Brent Reporter. Took a hard nap. Hey, get it. Nice vet auto to 30. Quentin Nelson. If you're going to get a vet auto, big man, it's a great one to get. But then you got a Mac Jones 2021. Gotta up my... Yeah, that Quentin Nelson's nice. Big man autos are always fun. Stephon Diggs, Dark Horse. Terrace and a spacer. Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong, but at least with Mac, kind of how he's posing, it looks decent since he's number 10. But it's tough. Crowder, Joe Mixon to 299. Devonta Adams, Stars. This one's super thin. I'm trying to save the thick pack so I can get the RPA like last. Unless we get a redemption, I guess. Nice to 50, the Michael Pirine. And DeAndre Hopkins, Stars. You want the White Sox? Right. Waco, if you haven't sent over yet, wait to send over and I'll hit you with a prize because you've gotten like a fuck ton of teams. Yeah, if you haven't sent over yet, Waco, just hold off and I'll hit you up. You've been doing work tonight. Odell, Kelsey, DeAndre. Got a Dwayne Eskridge. Ooh, to 25. Very nice patches. Very nice patches for the Sea Chickens. Going to Skins fan. And then Toddler Murray, Gold Team. Tyler Lockett, Saquon, Brandon Cooks, Travis Etienne to 125 for the Jags, Chase Young 2021. Michael Pittman, Brady, Brent Reporter, Drew Lock, got an Aaron Donald seal of approval, and Kane Nwangwu to 249. All right, last pack of certified, and then we'll move on to NT. I do love opening NT. Speaking of NT, there is another box in the football PWT. Tyreek, DK, Devonta. Got a Gold Team Kittle. And Javonte Williams to 125. Blue 2021 and gold 2021. All right, let's do some NT. Let's get it. bong, bing, bong, bing, bong. Fuck your life. Paulie said he can feel his heart breaking already. First up, Justin Herbert, 15 of 25 for the Chargers. Brady, you gotta move a little bit, bud. Sorry. And then from North Carolina, Diami Brown to 25 for the foosball team, undisputed. Get in the sleeve, bud. Thank you. Next up, from the Ohio State, Justin Fields. Justin Fields to 99. Not bad. Bears, not bad. Ooh, okay, for the Chargers, 18 of 20, Austin Eckler. That is an auto you don't see often. From Western Colorado. Not one you see often. And for the Eagles, 6 of 8. Kenneth Gainwell. Whoo! There you go, Eagles. Sheesh. Great patch there. 6 of 8 for the Eagles. We got for the Packers, Kylan Hill. 16 of 49, Kylan. Ooh, we got double booklet. Ooh, who got the Giants? Colorado Frost. Kadarius Toney, 12 of 125. Nice. Double booklets. The box didn't seem chunky enough for double booklets, but I'm here for it. Nice for the Giants, Kadarius Toney. And then top spot, we got a redemption. Oop, wrong way. Try that again. Okay, booklet for the redemption. Sheesh. Devonta Smith. Booklet redemption. Fargle, go off, buddy. Fargle is at work. He had to get hit with the auto draft, and it fucking worked out. Sheesh. Sheesh. Fargle. Fargo Gonkus. All right. All right. We'll get some hit lists going here in a moment. I got to do those randoms.